Let's start. Good evening, everyone. Today is the last day for this 5-day training session, and today we are going to design or make our helicopter wing, that helicopter blade. So this is the simplest part I we can say, because we have to work on this part only. That is the blade grip and this screw. Just we have to work on this, and the main blade is very easy. Just we have to give a cross section, that is the aerofoil of thin aerofoil is used in these blades. Just we have to give a cut section here and at the tip of the blade, and it will be done by extruding sweep through the sections. And the main part which we have to work on is this blade grip, this axle, and the grip, which is will also take some time, and this main blade would be the easiest part. So today we are not going to construct all full rotor part. We are going to construct only main blade plus its grips. Be- okay, hope you have understand what we are going to do today. Just this axle grip plus blade, only this part. Otherwise this figure is this. The whole rotor and other things are there, but we have to do only this part, this one, the main blade with this grip. So we use our FreeCAD software for this purpose, and opening this our welcome window for the FreeCAD software. Create a new project. Open, start creating it part design. We will work always in part design module of this software. So create a new body, and for that body we need a sketch. First I will make it isometric. Okay, so what we are going to do, from first we will make this axle, the inner part, just this one. This is a circular cylinder there, you can see. If not, I would like to zoom it. Now you can see this part, this cylinder. For that I am taking this plane. Okay, I will just have to make a circle there, and this axle is hollow, so I need two circles, one, and the other one is also there. Let it be this much. If you want, we will give some dimensions and constraint to this also. Selecting these two and coincide. Now it is placed at the center. Now what next? We will give some radius to these circles. Let me be 10 and this be 15. 5 mm of thickness would be enough. Fine, just close it and then pad this. Let it be 15 mm. No, 15 is less. 20, 25. 5 would be 30. 30 is enough. And here you can see a little bit bulge part. So for that, again, I will select this circle and do sketch over it. First, the inner circle would be the same dimension, and the outer circle would be a little bit more. Escape. First, I will make these 2 points coincide, then give radius to these circles. This is 10 only, and this one is 18, and close it. Then pat this. Make zoom to fit when it is going, your figure is going out of the screen. You can use zoom to fit so that the whole figure will be fitted into the screen like this. 10 of 5. 10 is enough. Now these two edges, this edge would be fillet up to 4, and similarly this one also. You can see it from front side. Now it is looking somewhat similar to that. Now we have a straight blade there which is holding this blade grip. So let's start making that on this surface. That plate is attached to this axle with some fasteners, screws or rivets. So I'm not going to make that rivets. I'm just making that plate and the grip. This plate and then grip. Sketch over it. This circle would be hollow again. Now do the first thing I will do is to make their centers coincide. And then this point should lie on this curve. Okay, similarly this point should lie on this curve. Need this to be symmetric. Then making vertical. These two. Now give the radius of this circle to be 10 and this circle to be 25 would be enough, I guess. And we can give length of this. Step. Now trim the extra part of the circle, this part. Here we have quick trim this part and trim this part. And then close this with make a pad of 1 mm, or you can make 1 mm or 2 mm, whatever it is. This much is done. Now we will have the blade grip, the fork for the blade grip on the same this one. On this same face we will sketch the circle of 25 mm of dia would be here. This is 25. Escape, fix its center, done. Then take a straight line there from here to here. Okay, then making these two lines horizontal. Escape, fixing points on the curve. Then again trim the extra part, this and this. It is fine. Escape, then close it. Zoom to fit so that I can see it, how long it is going. Six. It would be enough. Then again make it isometric. On this face I'm going to sketch. Are you guys pinging? Easy. Just make it vertical. I have made a small triangle there, and similarly a small triangle would be there also. Make it vertical and close to this, then close it and make a pocket there. Is symmetric and increase the length. Okay, this much is done. Now on this surface I will make a curve fillet there, and similarly over this surface. So the edge. Now this has been made. These two. Now screw would be there, and making a hole and making a screw there. Afterwards, or I am just making hole, I am not adding that screw. After that, this main blade part would be started. We can use this plane because it is the flattened plane. We can use it to sketch. Take a circle and close it. Then make a pocket of it, symmetric, and okay. Okay, this is through hole for the screw to be there. That would be a much thicker screw, and that there are some standards for these screws. Now we need this plane, that is top plane, XY plane, to construct. Over there we will going to construct this part of the main blade, that is a curved part. The center would be the same for this hole and this part, like this, and then I will take a line like this, and then I will have a curve around it like this. Close. Now what we need to do, make these points coincide, this point and this line, then this point vertical distance 0, so that it would be at center, and making these two also coincide, this point with this, and this point with this. Exit. This should also be vertical distance to be 0, just for a little bit symmetry. Now I want tangents. This arc and this line, this arc and this line. Similarly, this arc and this line, and this arc and this. These should also be tangents. Now exit and trim the extra arc of the circle. This is done. Close it and make a pad of it symmetric. I just want it to be. I just want this to just touch. Okay. Now make it isometric first, and we need a chamfer there. It's like this one. Now the main blade is left. We will start the main blade from there. YZ plane, a datum plane, unit YZ. Selecting this plane and sketch over it. What we need to sketch? We need a airfoil there.
ये वाली को कैसे कराना है देखो टेंथ वाली तो चलो ये वाली साइड हो जाती है ना ये वाली मान लो प्लस वन और टेंथ दोनों की मान
Make them coincide and
यहाँ नाम वगैरह
make these two also coincide.
और अगले पेज पे यहाँ एक के आगे
Its vertical distance 0. Similarly, its vertical distance should also be 0. That's fine. Close. And again on the YZ plane.
plus 1K.
We will take another datum plane.
Hmm? कम है. बताइए सैलरी की 94 प्लस 1 के 97 90 के और 93 94 के 90
So
94 तक की आएगी मेरी नंबर प्लस 2 के लगने हैं 9 के नहीं लगने हैं 30% के 10 के लगने हैं 30 प्लस 1 के और 2 प्लस 2
let this plane. Here again. Select I'm making like these airfoils because these in helicopter blades we have a symmetric aerofoil. So I'm not taking any camphor and all that things. They are symmetric airfoil. That's why I have turned on the grid and using the grid I am making it. This one vertical distance make it 0 for some symmetric. Okay, like this and close. Why is that plane? Make this was I guess 250. So the next one would be the okay. Zoom to fit. Select this. Zoom. 3-point arc. And the tip was the having the minimum camphor. So just near the make them coincide. Coincide a vertical distance 0 for this also vertical distance 0. Now close. First hide these planes. Now we have multi-section solid here. This one. Multi-section solid. This sketch 7. Okay. Add sketch. This sketch. Add another sketch. Like this. If I want to see it from the top view, the helicopter blade is like this. A little curve was there. Or fewer build are no don't have these curves. We can do one thing. We can decrease this distance to 500. Edit sketch 9. Zoom in. Yeah. Now again, isometric plane, YZ, H, YZ, having a plane, datum plane at the distance of 1500. Enter. Zoom to fit. Select this and sketch over it. Zoom. Much more straighter. Then select these two, coincide them, and select these, coincide, vertical distance 0, its vertical distance 0, and its horizontal distance is minus 30. Then close. Select this top add section and add this. Okay, this is how our helicopter bed is made. The tip should be much thinner. You can see from here. The tip is thinner. Make it asymmetry. Making it -36. And I'm just doing it for the less curve. I need a less curve here. That's why I'm decreasing its. Yeah, now it is fine. The much straighter one. Yeah, this is how a helicopter blade looks like. Here also we have something which let it revolve around this for pitching and rolling and all those moments. We have some gears and screws are there, and this is attached to the main rotor hub. You can see here. This is attached here also. We have for rolling and here also, and here we also have something, some gears and actuator system. I have made them with symmetric. For symmetry, I have used only 3-point arc to make it, and these are made of such a material which is a little flexible. When a helicopter is standing on the ground, the wings are tilted downwards a little bit, and while flying, it goes to straighter. So that's all for today. Our helicopter blade is completed, and if you have any questions, any doubts, you can ask. Anyone, any question? We save this one. No questions. Yeah, you have it. We can use CATIA. These are just mere commands. I am telling you, you can use any software on which you are comfortable. Even I am more comfortable on CATIA and SolidWorks, on CATIA and NX. Yeah, CATIA is better for surfacing, and, and in industries, the most CATIA and NX is using. We are using this free CAD software as it is a open source. We don't need any license for this. And for CATIA, we required a license. And for commercial purpose, we can't use pirated versions. Yes, you can make hollow. Just you have to give thickness or make a double. But the helicopter blades are so thin that you need not to make them hollow. Be you would not have that much space to make it hollow. If you have seen a real helicopter blade, it is that thin. You don't have that much space to make it hollow. Any other question? Yeah, for aircraft wing you can do it. You can make it hollow with the same commands. And there you must have some cambered aircraft airfoil or some NACA series airfoils. But for this, Helicopter blades we have symmetric airfoils, that's why I haven't used any series and any numbering. I just make it with visual visually symmetry.
Okay. Am I audible?
Yes sir, yes sir.
Yeah, fine. Okay. So we came to the 5 day design of aerospace component skill development program. So since it is the last day, we would like to thank Girish Mahajan as well as the participants from various part of the nation. So those who are watching in the platform as well as in the YouTube live sessions. So I hope you benefited from this free session, which was organized by Wings of Aero with TEMS Era Digital Learning Platform. So the most important thing is we wish to get your feedback, like what is the positive and negative, right? So that we can develop our platform as well as we can consider those feedback for our upcoming sessions also. So now I would like to say how we are going to like you are going to collect your participation certificate. So as you have entered into the platform, we have already shared in the mail as well as in the WhatsApp group. So this is the link where you have to join. So design of aerospace component is there. So suppose if you miss the previous day sessions, the sessions are already recorded and it is available in the platform itself with the day 1, day 2 up to day 5 up to today. So there will be a feedback. So you have to submit a feedback, and once you are submitting the feedback, the lecture certificate will be automatically opening, and you can get the certificate from the platform itself. So if you are having any issues, you can call us in the given number, right below number, so that we can clarify your doubt and we can help you in downloading the certificate or in upcoming courses. So with this, we will like to end the session, and once again, I thank Girish Mahajan and other participants for this wonderful event. Thank you.
Thank you sir, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to share my talent and my knowledge with others.
Can we end the session, sir?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, fine. Okay. Take care, everyone.